Hello everyone, I am V. Sarumati, Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE from SRM Madurai College for Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see about the decimal adder from Digital Principles and Computer Organization, Unit 1, Combinational Logic. Let's see what is decimal adder. Decimal adder is a digital circuit that adds two decimal numbers. The decimal numbers are represented in BCD format. Since computers deals with binary number, BCD represents each decimal digit, that is from 0 to 9, with a 4-bit binary code. Here is a binary and BCD representation for the decimal number 0 to 9. On comparing, binary and BCD representations are almost same for the numbers from 0 to 9. But when the number exceeds 9, the binary representation is invalid for the BCD. If the number exceeds 9, we have to add 6 0, that is 0 1 1 0 to that particular number, that is binary number. For example, let's consider 10. The binary equivalent of 10 is 1010. This is not a valid equivalent of BCD. So we have to add 0110, that is add 6 to that particular 10, binary equivalent of 10, 1010. By adding this, we get the number as 10000. This is the BCD equivalent of binary number 1010, that is decimal 10. In the same manner, we have to represent the BCD equivalent by adding 10 to that particular binary equivalent. Decimal adder is nothing but a BCD adder. A BCD adder is a circuit that adds two BCD digits and it produces a sum that digits also in BCD. The requirements for BCD adder are: initially it needs 4-bit binary adder. To perform to check whether the sum is greater than or 9, it needs a logic circuit. And the next, if the sum is greater than 9 or the carry is 1, it needs some more 4-bit adder to add 6 to that sum. BCD adder needs logic diagram to detect whether the BCD adder sum is greater than 9. For that logic diagram to design, it needs a Boolean expression. For that purpose, consider the inputs S3, S2, S1 and S0 and the output, one output Y. This Y represents the 5th bit. Usually for the BCD number 0 to 9, there is no 5th bit. Therefore, the output is 0. If the number exceeds 9, the 5th bit occurs and that 5th bit value is 1 and that is represented here in the output column. For the output Y equal to 1, we need a Boolean expression. For that purpose, we are using K-map simplification. Here the inputs are S3, S2, S1 and S0. 4 variables are here. So we used 4 variable K-map. In this 4 variable K-map, we are placing the ones. 10 for 1010 for 1010 row and 1010 column, we are placing 1. Similarly, 10111 here. Next, 11001, 11011, 11111, 1110, and by grouping, we are getting the expression as Y is equal to S3 S2 plus S3 S1. This is the expression, Boolean expression, to detect the sum is greater than 9. Here is the block diagram of BCD adder. The BCD adder first consists of a 4-bit binary adder. Here in this 4-bit binary adder, it adds two 4-bit binary numbers. Second, it needs a combinational logic circuit that detects whether the result from the BCD adder, binary adder, exceeds 9. For that, we have detected the expression using K-map, that is Y is equal to S3 S2 plus S3 S1. Here the S3 S2, this is that logic diagram. S3 S2, S3 into S2 is performed by using AND gate. Similarly, S3 and S0. This is also performed by using AND gate, and we have to add these two by using OR gate. If the carry is also 1, then the number is greater than the sum is greater than 9. So this is the logic to detect, this is the logic diagram to detect whether the sum is greater than 9. If the sum is greater than 9, it has to add 6. This 6 is represented here. 6 to that the result. For that purpose, another 4-bit binary adder is used here. This is and thus the BCD equivalent is obtained from this BCD adder. Consider an example A equal to 7 and B equal to 8. The BCD equivalent of 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1. And this is given as one of the input for BCD 4-bit binary adder. And the BCD equivalent of 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. This is given as another input for the 4-bit binary adder. After performing addition, it has to give 1, 1, 1, 1. That is A plus B is 15. After getting the 4-bit binary adder result, this 15, it has to check, this BCD adder should check whether the result is greater than 9. If the result is greater than 9, it has to add 6 to that result to get the valid BCD. For that purpose, we have got the expression as y is equal to S3 S2 plus S3 S1, and we have drawn the logic diagram, a logic diagram for that, for this detection. So it is getting S3 S2. Here the S3 value of S3 is 1 and S2 is 1. Therefore 1 into 1 AND gate, by the result of the output AND gate is 1. Similarly, S3 and S1. S3 is 1 and S1 is also 1. So the output of this AND gate is also 1. And we have to consider the carry also. If the carry is 1, it has to add 6 to that number. Now for the OR gate, for this OR gate, we are giving 3 inputs. This carry, this AND gate output, these two AND gate outputs. Now we are performing addition for this OR gate. 1 plus 1 plus 0. Actually the sum is 1 plus 1 plus 0, the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. We have to consider the carry. If the carry is 1, this carry should be given as the input here. So this is the 0, 1, 1, 0 is given as input to this another 4-bit binary adder. That is, we are adding 6 to this result of that initial binary adder. If the number exceeds 9, so here the number exceeds 9, 15, but 1, 1, 1, 1 is invalid BCD representation of the number 15. So we have to add 6 to that number. So by using this logic, we are adding 6 to this 1, 1, 1, 1. Now adding 1, 1, 1, 1 with 0, 1, 1, 0. That is adding 6 to that number. That is 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 0, then carry 1, 1. Now we are getting the 5th bit. So this is the binary equivalent of BCD equivalent of the number 15. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 is 5. Therefore we are getting the BCD equivalent 15 here. 15 here. This is how we are adding two BCD numbers. And we are getting the results. If suppose the BCD sum does not exceed 9, that is less than or equal to 9, we will get the output as same as that the output we are getting here. That is from the logic diagram we will get the output carry as 0, and hence all the inputs here are 0. We are not going to add 6 to that this result. That is how we are getting the same result from the first initial 4-bit binary adder. This is how the BCD adder works. Uh, Thank you.